You've said to me, we should do this because we think clients will like it. This is the right thing to do. And it always feels like that client first mantra. So has the philosophy been that simple? Just put the client first and do what you think they will like?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, everything. You only exist if the clients are happy. So find out, you got to innovate, and you got to think of what's driving change in terms of investments. But you have to think, how can this work for our clients? Can we make private equity work for our clients? As I was saying, it's a good thing to get into, but how can we make it that it's real
and accessible?
Yep. And of course, we have been in private equity for over 20 years, a long time. We've become leaders in that, but it is really the fundamental point. It's good for our private markets, are part of our today and our future, and we need to be in them. But unless it is good for your clients, you don't even think about doing it.